Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 4 best benefits of anise tea and how to make it at home. Anise tea is made from anise seeds, which are well known for their culinary as well as medicinal properties. Anise tea is one of the best teas to have if you want to improve your digestive health. A cup of antioxidant-rich anise tea makes for an excellent immune system booster. Anise tea acts as an anti-inflammatory agent and helps soothe irritation in the respiratory tracts. Studies suggest that anise tea also aids in lactation by increasing the milk production in nursing mothers. It is very easy to make anise tea at home. All you need is dried anise seeds, water, and a sweetener of your choice. Crush the anise seeds with the help of a mortar and pestle. Bring a pot of water to boil and put the crushed seeds in the water. Allow the seeds to steep in the hot water for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain the infusion into a cup and enjoy the warmth of anise tea. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.